Hi everyone. As VMware is moving towards deprecating the Flash-based client for vCenter, Cisco HyperFlex has introduced the new HTML5 based plugin to integrate with the HTML5 vSphere web client. This functionality was introduced starting HyperFlex 4.02a version and does not get installed as part of the normal cluster install workflow. This video is a demonstration of how you can go about installing the HTML5 Hyperflex plugin on vCenter. Please note that the vCenter 6.7 version still gives you the option for launching the Flash-based client, and this may be used for certain operations which are not available with the initial offering of the HTML5 plugin. An example would be scheduling your VM snapshots. So let's get started. I have got a 4-node cluster here deployed at 4.02a version. We will be registering this cluster to a 6.7 vCenter. Navigate to cisco.com and download the zip file that's available for the vCenter plugin. Upload this file to one of the controller VMs on this cluster. For example, I have used the cluster management IP and uploaded the file to the /tmp directory. List all the files to make sure that the zip file is now visible on the controller VM. Let's go ahead and unzip this file. This is going to generate two additional files. The .zip file is actually the plugin that will get deployed on the vCenter. The install_vc_ plugin is a script that will perform the registration of the cluster to the vCenter. Let's go ahead and run the script. This is going to ask you a few basic questions related to your vCenter. Let's go ahead and enter the details. As you can see, the plugin file is now getting copied to all the controller VMs that are present on this cluster. And at the end, you'll receive a message saying plugin successfully registered. That's it. Your job is now done here. Let's log into our vCenter to see if there are any changes incorporated as a result of the script that we just ran. Let's log in. You can now see a blue band at the top which says plugin Hyperflex plugin has been successfully deployed. Please refresh the browser to enable this. Let's go ahead and log out and re-log in. Let's navigate to the hosts and clusters view. My cluster is HX-3. If you now right click on the cluster, you should be able to see the plugin being enabled here. As you can see, Cisco HyperFlex systems option available, and then you have two options further, summary and upgrade. Let's click on the summary tab and we should be able to cross launch the HyperFlex Connect GUI from here. As you can see, the summary page for the cluster is now displayed. Let's go back to the vCenter and use the second option, HyperFlex Systems Upgrade. This is again going to cross-launch the HX Connect GUI from here. And you are presented with the upgrade page. Let's go ahead and check one more functionality that's available with this HTML5 plugin. I have a user VM deployed here. Let's right click, move down to Cisco HyperFlex Systems, click on Ready Clones. You can now easily create some ready clones for this VM. That's it for this demo. The newer releases of the HTML5 plugin will be incorporating a few more features or operations to be performed on the HX cluster VMs. Till then, take care. I hope this was informational. Thank you.